Let's make a nautical inspired luminary. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So we started with a pickle jar. I know. And I washed it up and we're going to use some of this jute. Got the jute at Hobby Lobby. Now I'm just measuring how long I need my pieces of jute to be. And I cut 4 strips all the same size. Okay. Side note, I'm using this new glue gun I got TikTok shop. Holy Toledo. It is my favorite thing on the planet. Oh, and I'm a Ryobi girl, right? So I start by gluing these pieces to the top and I glue it to the very bottom of the jar. Easy peasy. Back to the glue gun. It is, you can plug it in like you would a cell phone and it charges that way and it is cordless. Oh, it's so good. It's so good, friends. Anyways, back to the jar. So what I did was I just started putting those jute. I did 4 of them. So I did one on one side, did the other one right across from it. And then I do the other 2 right in the middle of those 2. Easy peasy, right? Perfect. Then I'm using the jute and I'm putting, now you don't have to do this part, but I thought it looked better. I made a little spiral with the jute and all we're going to do is just keep gluing and spiraling it around the bottom. And I go up just a little bit on the jar. So you'll see here, see, we just keep gluing and it made me think of Finding Nemo with just keep swimming. Sorry, I digressed. It's been a long day. Anyways, so here you'll see I just go up just a little bit on the jar. Perfect. Then we're going to put one more piece of jute and we're going to do it, I'm going to say just a third of the way down. And we're just going to go all the way around for that one. And the nice thing about jute is that when you cut it, it kind of frays, but it kind of sinks into itself. So you can't see as well where you got to cut. So you don't have to worry about it matching, like it looks good is all I'm trying to say. All right. So then we're going to do this very top. I know I'm all over the place tonight. Forgive me. It's crazy. Anyways, so I put more glue and then we're going to wrap the top of our pickle jar in the jute. So just keep putting glue down and then wrap. Glue, wrap. See, and there we go. Do you have to do that part either? No. But I think it looks really cool. Look how fun. It looks like a lantern to me. I love it. Anyway, so there it is. Love it. So then I have these Luminary light, whatever. I got them from Amazon. And then I have some sand from Dollar Tree and I have some pebbles from Dollar Tree. So I put the Luminary in first, then add the sand, then add some of the pebbles, and then I'm going to add some shells. My sister with Berkshire Pickers gave me these shells. Thank you, sissy. But I was thinking, would this not be an amazing craft to do if you go on a vacation at a beach? Like, how fun, right? You could get some shells and some sand from it. I turned on my little Luminary, hit it in one of the shells, and look at how pretty it is. What? I know. I'm so excited about this. It looks beautiful just sitting. But turn the light on. Wait until it's seen at night. Oh, look at how pretty that is. I love it. I love it so much. It was easy. It was cheap. I'm upcycling. It checks off all the boxes. Yay. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.